Hey, pause for a second. If you're thinking about getting Hostinger cloud hosting, listen carefully. Hostinger just launched their New Year's sale. Yes, even if you visit their website directly, you'll already see big discounts. But here's the part most people completely miss. If you use my special link, you unlock an extra 20% off on top of the sale price. That's real savings. Click the link in the description and you'll land on the official Hostinger page. The extra discount is applied automatically. No coupon codes, no manual steps. Now choose the plan that fits your project. For example, the cloud plan is insanely cheap right now. You'll see the New Year discounts, plus the extra 20% off, 3 free months of hosting, and a free domain name. And don't forget, the longer the plan you choose, the more money you save. Long-term plans give you the best value. Important: this offer is for new users only. If you've used Hostinger before, just sign up with a different email. These New Year deals won't last forever. Click the link, stack the discounts, and launch your website for almost nothing. Like the video, subscribe, and share it with anyone who shouldn't overpay for hosting.